Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a calendar on Notion. First, open Notion and create a brand new page. Select the Table Database option to begin building your calendar. Next, add a date property to your table, which is essential for scheduling. You should also rename the default name property to Event for clarity. This foundational setup takes just a few moments and prepares your workspace for effective organization. To make your calendar more robust, let's add some key properties. Introduce a select property to categorize events like work or personal. A person property allows you to assign specific tasks to team members. Don't forget a checkbox property to mark events as completed, providing a clear visual cue. For additional resources, a URL property can link directly to relevant websites or documents. These additions significantly boost your calendar's functionality. Now, let's transform your table into a visual calendar. Click Add a View and select Calendar from the options. Make sure your date property is chosen as the calendar's primary display. You can then customize the card properties to show important details like event type or assigned person directly on the calendar. For focused viewing, apply filters to see only specific events, such as upcoming deadlines or team meetings. This view provides an intuitive overview. To truly master your Notion calendar, explore advanced customizations. Consider creating multiple views, perhaps one for a monthly overview and another for a weekly agenda. Utilize database templates for recurring events, saving you valuable time on setup. Seamlessly integrate your calendar with other Notion pages, linking related projects or notes. Finally, share your calendar with collaborators, enabling efficient teamwork and shared scheduling. These tips will elevate your organizational capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.